Today, y'all, I'm about to be unboxing and building my vanity. Don't mind what I look like. It's a lot going on, but y'all will know about that soon. But anyways, yes, welcome to my channel where you will see beauty and fashion and vanity videos. Alright, y'all, if y'all are new to this channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell just so you get notified every time I drop a video on this channel. And without further ado, let's hop right into this video. What's up, guys? It's Sha-Deana Z and Zari, and welcome to my channel. I'll be doing content on here that includes fashion, vlogs, lifestyle, and beauty. If that interests you guys at all, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. Say hi. She wanted to talk to y'all. What else you gotta say? That's you, pretty girl. You telling yourself, hey. I don't know, y'all. She learned to growl. I don't know, because she hasn't seen anything on TV that growls. We don't growl, so I don't know where she got it from. I'm talking about you. Where did you learn that from? She's 7 months. She just turned 7 months, and she learns something new every month. And yes, y'all, I'm standing by the ring light real quick because my natural light is gone, dealing with this one, but that's okay. So today we are, hey, you want to tell them what we're doing? So in today's video, we will be decorating my vanity. So if you guys are interested, stay tuned and hopefully you enjoy this video. And with that being said, let's hop right into this video. Alright, y'all, so I had to end up wearing her because she wouldn't be still, so I had to end up wearing her. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So this is just what I use to cover the mirror. Hey, you think I'm talking to you? She think I'm talking to her. Alright, so real quick, let me go ahead and show y'all my empty vanity. Alright guys, so this is my new vanity, and this is basically my setup for right now. So I got this white fur rug to go down, and I have this stool, and I just put this fur cover on top of it. I'm getting another chair, but this is just for the time being. So I kept this just to cover the mirror. So we're gonna take this off. All right, guys, don't mind that. That's just the cover I took off of the mirror. The cord you see is just my ring light cord. All right, so this is my vanity. So the vanity has 3 different light settings. Let me show you guys. So come right here. Setting 1 is like warm light. Setting 2 and setting 3. So we will be cleaning, organizing, and decorating my new vanity. Really quick, y'all, the funny thing is I tried to film with my daughter. She is 7 months. I tried to film with her and it didn't work out. She's taking a nap right now, but I'll insert some of those clips because it was pretty funny and she looks so cute. I tried matching her. She has on something yellow, I have on something mustard. We tried color coordinating. My color is like more mustard, but you get the picture. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of me and my daughter, make sure you head on over to my other new YouTube channel called Sha-Deana Z Mom Life, and you can see plenty of videos about me being a mom. I'll talk about my experiences, the things that I've learned, and also you just get to see me be a parent and you'll get to see more of Zari. Also, she'll be doing fashion try-on hauls. We'll be doing her night routine, her morning routine, 24 hours with a 7-month-old. You'll also see like mommy and me night routine. So if that interests you at all, make sure you head on over to Sha-Deana Z Mom Life and subscribe. Also turn on your post notification bell. Alright, y'all, I got this long drawer. I can put something in here. I gotta figure out how I want to organize this, y'all. I got this deep drawer right here, another deep drawer right here, and lastly another deep drawer. And Zari is calling. Hey. All right, y'all, this is a makeup brush holder, and all I did was just put some roses in it. I got these roses from Amazon, so I think we're gonna put this at the top. All right, y'all, this is a flower vase. I don't have my flowers yet, so I just put a rose on top of it for now. That's another video y'all can look out for, but we're gonna put this up here as well for now on the top shelf. So I think they look good, I think. All right, the next thing we got is another makeup brush holder. So we got a pop of gold, and the colors I decided to go with was white, silver, and gold. I don't know if that's random, but I just couldn't choose between silver and gold. So it came with some pearls. I got this from Amazon. And we just gonna dump them in here. All right, so we're gonna put this right here. All right, so the next thing we got is a regular white candle holder, and y'all, I literally just had some white flowers left over and I decided to place them at the top, but I do plan on getting a candle, of course. So that's what it looks like. Here, I guess they look okay. All right, y'all, this is funny because this is a eyeshadow palette holder that I turned into some decor. This is like amateur vanity decor, y'all. For real, I just wanted to put something up here just to have something cute to film until my actual, you know, better vanity decor comes in. I was like, okay, it just made for a cute piece of decor, and I wanted something to hide those cords. Because as y'all can see, my vanity, it comes with some outlets where you can charge your laptop, your phone. So I wanted something that could kind of hide that. So this was the next best thing, and I know it's kind of amateur, but it's basically like a DIY. So, all right, so it doesn't hide it, but the next thing I have, it's like a holder. It has like where you can put some, I don't know, but again, I put some flowers. I just put some flowers on top, and I think we're gonna set it right here. All right, guys, I have another one. I did the same thing. All right, you guys, this is hours later. Look who's back. Don't mind it. I tied the back of her shirt because it's too big, but just for now. Look, say hey, let them know you back. You up from your nap. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish. All right, so where was I? This is the next thing. It's like a little makeup brush holder, I think. All I did was add some flowers. We're gonna put it, I think right here. I'm trying to see. She like this. You think it's your toy? Look, y'all. So this is custom made from Etsy. I got this from a company called Jenny Books, and it's super cute. It's a little perfume bottle with some crystals inside. Okay, so it's funny. Look, she want it. You want it? Girl, this is glass. You cannot have this. So I have this gold tray coming from Shein, and I'm going to be putting this in the middle, and I'll be putting this inside of the gold tray. So we're gonna put this here for now. This is funny. This is a card holder, and I put 2 flowers in it. All right, so we're gonna put this right here for now. All right, lastly, we got this. It's a makeup brush. Look, baby. Okay, so pull this up, put this on. So I'm gonna keep it like this just so the gold can show, and it can highlight that pop of gold I'm trying to portray. But we're gonna do it with the top off. All right, guys, so that is all I have for my decor, and as you can see, Zari loves it. It's pretty, girl. I think she likes it because it's shining, but I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. All right, guys, so this is the decorated completed vanity. All right, so this vanity comes built in with the mirror, and this has 3 different lighting settings, and it has outlets right here where you can charge your phone and stuff. So when you tap on this first light setting, warm, second one, white, third one, LED. This is the first light setting. This is the second light setting, my favorite. This is the third light setting. And if y'all can see, it's like I got a wet spot on me. She spit up twice on my dress. Again, that's motherhood. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications for this channel so you never miss another video. I have plenty more videos coming your way, so make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss them at all. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Hey, say hi. Hey. Hey. Boo. Hello. Hi. Hey. Bye. Hi.